Q21, the histogram shows some information about the weights of apples, of a sample of apples. We've got the weight along the x-axis and frequency density along the y-axis. And we're asked to work out the proportion of apples in the sample with a weight between 140 and 200 grams. Proportion, another word for that, is fraction. What fraction of the apples in the sample have a weight between 140 and 200? Now, the area of a histogram, its total area is proportional to its total frequency. So if I work out the total area of the histogram and I work out the area of the bars between 140 and 200 and write that as a fraction, that's the proportion. Before I proceed, I'm going to write down the heights of all these bars. So this is 0.12. This is 0.36. Up here we get 0.7. Along here 0.5246, 0.56, and down here 0.18. I want the total area of my histogram. And because these bars are made up of rectangles, I'm going to work out the area of each rectangle. So this is 40 wide and it's 0.12 high. And I'm going to do this in my head. You can use a calculator to do this, but it might be quicker for me to do it in my head. 12, 24, 36, 48, 480 divided by 100, 4.8. Here, 30, it's 20 wide multiplied by 0.36. 36 times 2, 72, 720 divided by 107.2. We're doing 20 times 0.7 equals 14. 56 times 20, or 20 times 0.56 should I say. 56 times 2 is 112. Times that by 10, 1120, so it will be 1.2. And when I divide by 100, and then this one is 40 times 0.18. 4 times 18, same as 8 times 9, which is 72. 720 divided by 100, 7.2. Okay, so there's the area of each bar. Total area equals 4.8 plus 7.2 plus 14 plus 11.2 plus 7.2. And as before, use a calculator if you wish. Better off it is a calculator paper. Let me see, 2, 4, 6, and that would be 14, down 4, 8, 19, oh hang on a second, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 20, 24, 4, carry on to, and that will be 44.4. So that's the total area, 44.4, and then the area between 140 and 200, and 200 will equal the 7.2 plus the 14 plus the 11.2, which gives us, it's going to end 0.4 as well, 25, 32. No, not 32. See, this is why you should use a calculator. Try that again. 0.2, 25, 32. Yeah, 32. Okay, so that means the proportion the proportion between 140 and 200 will equal 32.4 all over 44.4, and I'm certainly going to use a calculator for this part. 32.4 over 44.4, 27 over 37, 27 over 37, and that's a proportion of the apples in between 140 and 200.